Hey guys, welcome to Sambit Mukherjee 360 degrees. You see, all my videos are very interesting, valuable, and informative. So consider subscribing my channel. Like, share, and comment your valuable insights and suggestions in the comment section below this video. I have provided the links of some of the playlists as I button on the top right hand corner of this video. You can click the I button and check the playlists. Watch today's video till the end to get the most out of it. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Guys, a big thank you to all of you people who have supported my YouTube journey. Today is the date when our YouTube channel has hit the 100 subscribers mark. Thank you very much and congratulations. Today we'll be unboxing the Learning Toys Notebook computer. Unpacking it. It's a mini laptop kind of thing for my son. So he loves it very much. Let's see how it looks like. I'll mention its link in the description below. In case you like it and would like to buy it, you can click that link to buy it. In case you think someone needs this information, please share this video with them and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Wow, so here is the Learning Toys Notebook computer. It can be used for spelling, vocabulary, keyboard skills, mathematics, memory, games, and music. It has 22 activities and games. It looks like this. Let's keep the cover aside and let's check how is the laptop. Wow, look at this. Uh-huh. So this is the cover and it was stand, I think so, like this. Need to figure out what this is. Is this a stand? And you've got place for a battery here, I believe. Notebook computer learning toys. Let's keep this one aside for the time being. Let's open this. I believe there is a lock here. You have to open it like this. And wow, voila! Look at this. This is a small screen. And this is the keypad. Let's see. Okay, you have got an on and off switch button here. If I press it, I think so we have to enter some battery here. Okay, in the meantime, let me fill up the battery later and check. Here there's something given here. Number one is learning letter, second is learning words, third one is spelling, fourth one is word guess, fifth one is missing vowel, sixth one is beginning letters, seventh one is missing letters, eighth one is scramble, ninth one is correct the word, 10th spell the word, 11 word compactor, 12 addition, 13 subtraction, 14 multiplication, 15 division, 16 missing sign, 17 place the order, 18 learning time, 19 jukebox piano, 20 clock, 21 hit the letter, and 22 animationary. Okay, this is ideal for my kid Adith. Let's figure out, let's see if we have got any batteries or not. Okay, we have missed this one. Here you see you have got a key mouse also. Let's open this one. Wow, look at this. Wonderful. You got a mouse also. Let's see what else we have here. Nothing else here, nothing else. Okay, here we have got user menu. Below this one, it was here, and here nothing else. So that's it. Let me check. After filling the battery, I'll come back. This is behind the box. This is how it looks. These are the sides, and this is the top, and this is the laptop. Now you have to, here is the keyboard, key mouse. So let's see how does this one work. Let's open the mouse. So here it goes, the mouse. Awesome. My kid Adith would love it. Okay, let me fill up the battery. We'll get back soon. So guys, I'm back with the batteries and a screwdriver. Let's see, open this battery case and check what is inside this. And I figured out what is this. This is nothing but, it's not broken, but like this. You can also remove pulling like this. You have to just rotate it like this and then pull it. You press like this and then like this, it will get stuck, I believe. Yes, it's stuck. Okay, let's open the battery case. Okay. Oh, I see. There's no batteries at all. Yes. It's double A batteries, not triple A. Okay. So you have to press this one and open it. You have to press this one and pull it. Okay. Now let's see. Let's remove these for the time being and open the laptop and check. Yes, it's open. Wonderful, isn't it? This is the escape button. 1, 2, 3. Wow, my kid would love it. Let's check if the mouse works or even this needs a battery. Okay, the mouse works. However, the scroller doesn't work. Wonderful. Let's see what's the reaction of Adith is. Adith, laptop! Laptop! Adith, laptop! Come on! Heavy! Just check out. From this age onwards, he knows he has to use both the hands to use the laptop. Still, I see many people using one finger while using a laptop just like a typewriter. ভালো লেগেছে? Eh? Okay, that's a thumbs up from him. Adit is learning the alphabets and numbers, so he's trying to search all the alphabets. See how busy he is trying to identify the alphabets. Guys, in case you liked this video, please hit the like button. In case you think someone needs this information, please share this video with them and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Here Adith is trying to use his own personal laptop. Looks like he's in his own world. He was observing me when I was putting the battery cover back and putting back the screw. Now he will try to unscrew it, just watch. Just see, he's trying to unscrew it. That's all guys for now. Thank you for watching this video till the very end. I hope you liked this video. In case you did, support me free of charge by subscribing my channel and hitting the notification bell. Share my videos and playlists to all your friends and family members and ask them to subscribe and click the notification bell. Like and post your valuable views in the comment section below. I'll catch you back in my next episode. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Goodbye. Peace.